it's Asian Mom Cooking here. Today I'm going to show you how to cook ginger egg fried rice, and these are the ingredients you need. 2 scallion, 2 eggs, ginger, overnight rice. I have about 4 cups here, and then oil and salt. Put it in here. Now the ginger, I am taking away the skin. You don't have to if you don't want to. I'm using 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, okay? I'm going to cut a little bit more. Finely mince, okay? Use medium heat. My pan is hot. I'm going to put in some oil, about 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to put in the ginger. I'll put in this one too. It takes longer to cook. Put the scallion. Just stir until the aroma comes out, or golden brown. Okay, I can smell the ginger. Now I am going to add in the rice. Okay, now my rice has all loosened up, so you just have to stir it once in a while to make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom. And also it needs to get hot. Continue moving the rice around. My rice is hot now. I can see the steam. And then I'm going to cook the egg. Put some oil. Making scrambled eggs here. Put in the onion. Adding a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay, my rice is ready. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell to get notified next time I upload.